Looking to simplify your daily routine and make your home work smarter, not harder? You're about to discover some incredible Amazon Home gadgets designed to boost efficiency, cut down effort, and upgrade your space in ways you didn't expect. From clever organization tools to time-saving essentials, these finds make everyday living feel effortless. All products are linked in the description below. Breakfast just got a whole lot more fun. This electric griddle lets you turn ordinary pancakes into creative works of art right on your plate. It comes with batter bottles and templates, so you can draw shapes, patterns, or even little characters with ease. The non-stick surface keeps everything smooth and mess-free, while the cool touch edges keep your hands safe while cooking. And when you're done, it works just as well for eggs, toast, and more. What if your outdoor chair actually let you fully relax for once? This folding chair comes with a hidden pull-out ottoman, so you can stretch your legs anytime you want. 2 built-in cup holders keep your drink right within reach. No balancing needed. Made from weather-resistant material, it won't crack or fade, even after long days in the sun or rain. And when you're done, it folds up easily, making storage and transport effortless. Taking out the trash all the time gets old fast, right? This smart trash can compact your waste down to a fraction of its size, so you empty it way less often. With a simple press, it compresses everything neatly without tearing the bag or making a mess. A built-in carbon filter traps odors, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. And since only the liner touches the trash, your hands and the bin stay clean every time. Your side table just got a serious upgrade. This modern end table rolls wherever you need it, thanks to smooth wheels that lock in place when you're done moving it. Inside, you get shelves and drawers to keep everything from books to chargers neatly tucked away. The glass door adds a sleek look, while built-in LED lighting lets you switch between colors to match your mood. It's storage, style, and flexibility all in one smart piece. Breakfast deserves more than just basic toast. This retro-style toaster brings charm to your counter while handling everything from thick bread to bagels with ease. The extra-wide slots give you more flexibility, so nothing gets squished or stuck. With multiple browning levels, you can get your toast exactly how you like it every time. And with simple one-touch functions for defrosting or reheating, it keeps your mornings quick and stress-free. Cleaning your floors doesn't have to feel like a chore anymore. This smart robot vacuum handles both wet spills and dry messes, so you don't have to switch tools. With built-in AI and a camera, it detects stains and goes over them multiple times until they're actually clean. It even washes its own roller as it works, so only fresh water touches your floors. And with automatic mapping and self-emptying, you can just set it and forget it. Great coffee shouldn't feel like a guessing game. This coffee maker heats water to the ideal temperature, so every cup comes out rich and perfectly balanced. With a simple switch, you can brew a full pot, or just enough for yourself in minutes. It runs quietly in the background and even shuts off automatically for peace of mind. Easy, consistent, and reliable, just the way your morning coffee should be. Your favorite memories shouldn't stay stuck on your phone. This portable photo printer lets you turn digital pictures into real prints in seconds. Just connect your device, tap once, and watch your photos come to life in rich, vibrant color. The special printing system keeps images from fading or smudging, so they last longer. It even charges your phone while you print, making it perfect for home or on the go. Take your snacks and drinks anywhere without worrying about soggy sandwiches or melted ice. This soft cooler holds up to 36 cans and keeps ice frozen for hours, thanks to advanced insulation. A built-in dry zone keeps food separate and fridge cool, while the leak-proof lid lets you grab drinks quickly. 2 ice packs and a hidden drawer make organization easy. Comfortable backpack straps make it simple to carry on hikes, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Keep your bike safe without the hassle. This heavy-duty ULock is made from reinforced steel that's tough to cut, while the silicone cover protects your frame from scratches. A strong, flexible cable lets you secure your bike to posts or fences when extra reach is needed. The precise lock core with a unique key prevents tampering, and the included mounting bracket makes it easy to carry on every ride. Solid, reliable, and ready for all types of bikes. Think outside the box, actually. Think in hexagons. This honeycomb shelving turns any wall into a customizable display. You can stack it high, spread it wide, or mix colors to match your space. Tempered glass shelves give you extra room for books, plants, or decor, while the modular design keeps it sturdy yet lightweight. Assembly is simple, and each unit is made from recycled materials, so it's good for your home and the planet. Need a chair that does more than just sit pretty? This sleeper chair turns into a chaise lounge or a cozy single bed in seconds. The backrest adjusts to 3 angles, so you can read, lounge, or nap comfortably. Velvet cushions are soft and supportive, while side pockets keep your books and remotes within reach. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for small spaces or apartments, giving you comfort without taking up room. Stop losing space in your kitchen corners. This pull-out corner cabinet turns hard-to-reach blind spots into easy-access storage. 4 sliding baskets hold everything from pots to pantry items, and you can adjust or remove them to fit taller or shorter things. Made from sturdy steel with tempered glass shelves, it's strong and built to last. Left or right corner? No problem, you can install it wherever you need and slide it out completely to reach every item. Reach higher without a ladder. This electric pull-down closet rod lets you store clothes up top and bring them down with a touch, remote, or even your voice. Smart sensors stop it automatically if something's in the way, keeping your clothes safe. Built from stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it's strong, lightweight, and rust-resistant. LED lights turn on when lowered, so you can easily see your outfits even in the dark. Turn your living room into a cozy, high-tech haven. This TV stand combines a 36-inch electric fireplace with a modern entertainment center. Control heat, flame color, and brightness with a touch or remote, while built-in outlets and USB ports keep all your devices powered. 3 open shelves and 2 lockable cabinets give you plenty of space for media and accessories. LED light strips add ambiance, making movie nights warm and stylish. Bring a piece of the sky indoors. This cloud lamp floats magically above its base, rotating slowly thanks to magnetic levitation. Touch controls let you switch between cozy yellow, serene blue, or a lightning in the cloud effect to set the perfect mood. Its 3D printed design makes it both a nightlight and a stunning decoration. Perfect for your desk, bedroom, or as a dreamy gift for someone special. Say goodbye to soggy shoes. This portable boot dryer uses dual air ducts to quickly dry sneakers, boots, gloves, or cleats. 3 heat levels let you choose gentle warmth for sneakers or powerful heat for heavy work boots. A timer and auto shutoff give you control, while ozone mode neutralizes odors for fresh-smelling gear. Extendable hoses make it easy to fit any footwear, and the LED touch panel keeps everything simple and intuitive, take your campfire anywhere. This portable fire pit folds flat into a backpack, making it easy to carry and store. Quick-draw legs and interlocking parts mean setup is done in seconds. No tools required. ClearBurn technology keeps fires smokeless and hotter, so you can enjoy the flames without the hassle. Made from stainless steel and aluminum, it's built to last adventure after adventure. Turn your chair into a personal massage chair. This 3D Shiatsu Massager kneads sore muscles in your back, neck, and shoulders with deep, soothing pressure. Heat function adds extra relief, melting tension away while protecting you with auto shutoff. Velcro straps let you attach it to chairs or car seats so you can relax anywhere. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's perfect for stress relief, aches, or even long road trips. Turn your phone into a real gaming console. This plug-and-play controller snaps onto your device and gives you full control with zero setup. Hall-effect joysticks and triggers deliver ultra-smooth movement, meaning no drift and more precise gameplay. You can charge your phone while playing and plug in headphones for an immersive experience. Extra buttons let you customize controls on the fly, so you stay one step ahead in every match. Dessert just got way more fun. This ice cream ball lets you make fresh ice cream while you roll, toss, or play. Just add your ingredients on one side, ice and salt on the other, and let the motion do the magic. In about 25 minutes, you've got a creamy treat ready to enjoy. It's easy to open, simple to clean, and perfect for turning snack time into an activity. Skip the coffee shop and brew it your way. This cold brew maker lets you create smooth, rich coffee right in your fridge. Just add coffee and water, let it steep, and enjoy a bold flavor without the bitterness. A built-in tap makes pouring quick and mess-free, while the compact design fits easily on shelves. The reusable steel filter keeps things simple and helps you get the perfect brew every time. Float in style and soak up the sun. This extra-large inflatable tanning lounger gives you plenty of room to relax alone or with a friend. A removable pillow and ribbed air cushion keep you comfy, while built-in drink holders and a wraparound grab line make it perfect for poolside fun. Made from durable PVC, it's strong enough for multiple users. Lightweight and quick to inflate, it's your ultimate sunbathing escape anywhere. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.